I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming the essentials. Make sure accessibility voice control is active, battery is above 20%, and the microphone works. Next, pair a Bluetooth mouse, touchpad, or adaptive switch. Follow the device pairing prompts. This gives you immediate pointer control. Once done, enable the on-screen keyboard and voice dictation as a backup so you can type when needed. This combination prevents dead ends and prepares the system for hands-free navigation while you proceed to more detailed steps. You should now practice core navigation using voice and pointer alternatives. Say commands like open settings, scroll down, or select first item to move quickly. Meanwhile, map mouse gestures or switch button actions to common tasks and set sensible repeat and delay values so actions aren't accidental. Make custom shortcuts, assign voice phrases to macros, configure a one-touch switch for copy and paste, and set timed clicks. These adjustments speed routine work and reduce the need for typing while you finish setup. You will complete setup by testing real workflows. Send an email using dictation, open a web page, and edit a document without touching a keyboard, confirming each step works. Then record a short macro for a repetitive multi-step task and back up your settings to the cloud or a file so recovery is fast. If controls stop responding, restart the accessibility service, repair Bluetooth devices, and, if needed, switch to the on-screen keyboard fallback. This single troubleshooting tip usually restores control quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.